Electronics is the foundation of countless careers. We have a lot of unique hands-on technical courses here that you just don't usually ever see at community colleges.
If you like doing cool stuff, whether it be just building a machine or seeing what the machine does, you can do all of that here.
Electronics are important because they're present in every single function of the job that we do.
Everything we do is based around electronics. They're all working together to give us a device that can save lives.
NMC has access to the equipment that I'm going to be using when I'm actually out on the job site.
The knowledge that NMC gives to the students and the grads gives them a really good head start.
I haven't seen a student that hasn't had a job once they graduate from the program.